Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the camera and the look you want. Set frame rate between 24 and 60 FPS, and follow the 1/2 to 1/3 shutter rule so motion reads naturally. Once done, lock your exposure and focus so clips match later. Make sure to capture 3 to 5 seconds of clean lead and tail for each action to allow smooth transitions, and steady the shot with a gimbal or tripod to prevent jitter when you cut and speed ramps. You now build edit options by varying your focal lengths. Capture wide context, a mid 50 mm for the subject, and close detail plates so you can cut for rhythm. Also record clean audio or a separate recorder and use a quick marker clap to make sync simple later. Make sure to shoot at a higher resolution or 2x when possible. This gives you room to reframe, stabilize, and create motion without losing quality once you assemble the edit. You finish by offloading and labeling every clip immediately so nothing gets lost. Use consistent names and folders that reflect scene and take. Once archived, create safety copies and low-res proxies to speed your edit workflow without taxing the machine. If you run into problems where clips don't match, color, or exposure, pick a clean reference frame and use a color match tool, then tweak manually. If sync drifts, reclap and slip the audio a few frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.